Okay, this is Samsung A51. We're going to use our Samsung OCA universal lamination mode to laminate ochre to the front glass with our Samsung machine. Okay, now we're ready. Stick the ochre on the top plate, and now we put it on the base mode to laminate with our machine. Now we're going to change it to English language. As you can see, the pressure we already set to 1 pressure. If you want to change the pressure, just press here, and then you can change this 4 pressure. It's very easy. And here we already set well vacuum time and hold time. If you want to change, just press it. Now it already set well. Okay, we're going to start. The vacuum time we set to 15 and the hold time we set to 10 seconds. Okay, it already finished. Let's go to check it. Perfect, no problem. This one is very perfect.